Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to show you how to remove these wheels or change out these motorized wheels on this Roomba 600 series robot vacuum cleaner. So I've got it turned on its back. You're going to take this screw off right here, and then that takes the brush off. The brush stays with the screw. Then we can take these 4 screws out. You can lift this panel straight up and take the battery out. Once you take the battery out, now it's safe to work on. It just lifts straight up. Okay, the wheels have markings on them. This is the right wheel. There are 3 screws. You're going to take this. It's like a number 1 Phillips. There's one right there, here, and kind of down in this hole here. Take all 3 of those loose, and this lifts straight up. Now, the reason it lifts straight up is there is a connector here, so be careful and don't get anything right there in that connector. But this assembly comes out as an assembly. And the screws, you just have to take loose. They will be retained in the mechanism here itself. Now here we have the motor and the wheel. If you've got something wrapped around here, or if you need to clean this, I don't recommend taking it any farther apart than this, because if you get a new wheel assembly, this is the smallest it comes, so it comes all put together like this. So your wheel may not be working because the motor's bad or something, so you can replace the wheel, or you may have damage, or it may have gotten in some really bad nasty stuff that you need to wipe off. I would not get water down inside here. There is some gears and there's electric components, so you're just gonna have to kind of wipe this off and get in there and clean it really good. Or if something's wrapped around there, you're gonna kind of have to pull it apart. Now when you're done, the screws are already in here, so you're simply just gonna set it down and it should connect right into place. I just press down a little bit. Tighten your screws, put your battery in, your cover on, you're ready to go. The left wheel is exactly the same. So I hope my video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.